Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to record your iPod Touch or iPhone screen with sound. First you will need a jailbroken device, iPod Touch or iPhone. If you already have it, go to Cydia. Wait for it to load. It takes a while depending on how much space you have left on your device and how many sources you have in Cydia, and normally on your internet connection quality. So now go to Manage, Sources, click Edit, then Add, type in www.synfuliphone.repo.com. So this is the Cydia URL, www.synfuliphone.repo.com. Now click Add Source. You'll have to click Add anyway. I'll click Cancel because I already have it. Now go to Search and type in Display Recorder. Correct. So this one is the one we are looking for. You'll have to install it. You'll have an install button up here on the right where I have a modify button. I can't install it because I already have it. See. Then go to Settings. Go down to Display Recorder in Settings. Go to Video Format. And you'll have to choose the one down here, H.264/MAV with Make Audio. And this is it. Now you know how you record your iPod Touch or iPhone screen with sound. You can also record it without sound if you choose the one without mic audio or the AV one. Thanks for watching and comment if you need help.